Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can make your logo on your Squarespace site bigger. So let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, I'm on one of my pages on one of my sites, and in the top left here, you will see the image that serves as my logo. The logo is located in your header on your site, which makes it visible on every page on your site. And if you click on it, it'll serve as the title, and it'll just bring people to the homepage. That is the native link that the logo has. But to actually edit the logo and make it larger, once you're on any site that has the header, you just want to click on edit, and then you want to click on edit site header. Now just click on the logo and click on the edit button just like that, and here you'll be able to change your logo. Now you can replace it, edit it, do whatever you want with it, but the options that we want to focus on are the logo height and the mobile logo max height. Now you can add a mobile logo, and then it might be different than your PC logo or your logo for any other service or platform, and you can modify it however you want. The max height for mobile logos will only impact your logo, which is for your standard platforms. Pretty sure it won't impact this logo over here, however it might. Not very sure, so keep that in mind. But what you need to do to make it bigger, you can enter the amount of pixels over here, either manually, or you can use the slider. You can use your arrow keys to make it more accurate. For example, if I click 25 pixels, as you can see, it is half its usual height. But if I go 100 pixels, it's gonna make it even larger. And that is pretty much all you need to know to modify your logo appearance, and that is exactly how you change its size and how you make it bigger. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.